The radius of each circle is 7 centimeters. Calculate the area of the shaded region. Take pi to be 22 over 7. Take pi to be 22 over 7. The shaded area is what remains if we remove the areas of the circles from the area of the rectangle. Notice that what we have here is a large rectangle and we have circular portions being removed, so to speak. We can already see that there are 12 circles, or we may count them. We will not count from 1 to 12. We just say that we have 4 going across and 3 going down. Therefore, we have 3 across and 4 going down, which results in 3 4s, which is equal to 12. So we have 12 of them. Of course, counting them should not be too much of a hassle, but this method may be transferred to cases in which we have objects arranged in a rectangular format and we have many of them, like maybe in the hundreds or thousands. All we need to do is count how many going across, how many going down, multiply them, and we will know how many of them without having to count every single one of them. Each has an area, and we are going to find the area of each. We know that we have 12. 12 of them. Area is given by pi r squared. Pi times the radius squared. And we will substitute the values of pi and r. Pi was given to be 22 over 7, and the radius is 7. Pi times r squared, which is 7 squared. Simplify by a common factor of 7. If we have 7 squared here, and we simplify by a common factor of 7, then one of the 7 is going to be cancelled by the 7 that we have here. And if so be the case, 1 7 will remain. We can do that conveniently by taking out the 7 in the denominator and removing the square to indicate that we have one occurrence of 7 in the numerator. That's just a convenient way of doing it. We'll continue. The area will therefore be 22 times 7, which turns out to be 154 centimeters squared, and that could have been calculated by mathematics rather than by using a calculator. The area of all of them together will be the area of 1 times the number of them, and we have 12 times 154, 12 of them. Each has an area of 154 square centimeters. 12 times 154 is equal to 1,848 square centimeters, or if we prefer, centimeters squared. We are not done yet. Do not forget that we need to determine the area of the shaded region. And what does that require? The area of the shaded region may be found by simply subtracting the area of all of the circles together from the area of the rectangle, and we calculated the area of all of the circles together already. So the area which remains, which is the shaded region, will be the area of the rectangle that we calculated a long time ago. Subtract the area of all of these circles together, and this is our final result. 504 square centimeters.
Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.